Hello, my name is Hector. Now let's go. Tell me in a red black color, and walking you can get in a cream color here, madam. Transversions of crazy like the original white, and now we with some stripes of skin. You can ask for that way of cream color, and that super cool original Adidas models. To talk about, these are the super cool original Adidas tennis shoes, in which they are 100% synthetic, that have a 3-inch wide platform. And well, the opening of the botany, also the leather lining, what makes it very comfortable and practical to use for walking. And if you do not exercise very often, you can also use it to dress. One of the new models is the original camouflaged Adidas Supercourt that will really become one of the favorites of the users of the brand. It is rather the Adidas Supercout RX that comes with imitation viper skin in brown and another in black. I have been using this brand of tennis for a long time, and I know distinguished by its comfort and the classic or original style. That does not change. When ordering them online, you have to be sure about your tennis shoe number, this so that you avoid inconvenience when it comes to returning your order. They do a little survey and that's it. The ones I've used are the original Supercourt ones. They're very comfortable. Even in the hot season, I combine them with my denim pants and I'm ready to go fresh, comfortable for long walks or something to run or climb stairs without hurting your feet. When washing them is also very simple. I put them in the washing machine with detergent and softener. They look like new. If you like to do a lot of exercise like running, there I would recommend the Adidas Originals Ozweego that comes in cream color, and it brings toe protection, a more padded sole and heel protection itself. The design is more for exercise such as running and walking long distances. I forgot the anti-skid sole. The straps are highly durable, and this design comes with seams which makes it more durable. I use this with shorts or Bermuda shorts. I really like hiking and camping, so this model was very comfortable for me. The rocks that seem to go barefoot with less thick soles, and with this sole it protects your foot more. But if you like basketball, there is also this Adidas unisex basketball shoe model where it is reinforced on the sole for jumping and breaking, light with reinforced straps, padded tongue to prevent instep injuries, toe protection, and gray with fluorescent green colors. This model comes in different colors: black, gray, fluorescent green, black with red, and white with black and green with pink are striking and very sporty colors of the brand that make them unique. What is very important is the breadth that they bring in the tennis instep. And finally, the Adidas Originals Supercourt sneakers that are totally made of leather and with their classic rubber sole have their classic elegant gray color design. You can wear them with shorts or jeans, and it comes at a not very high price. But most importantly, with the Adidas brand, I have this model. I only use it to walk short distances because of its originality, and it keeps me comfortable and cool. It is not a heavy-duty tennis shoe or for sports, much less hiking, but it is resistant and comfortable. I hope my review will help you. I liked it, and if you want to give me a subscription, greetings, and until next time.